Hi, good afternoon everybody. Teacher Everson here once again. Today is very hot in the town where I live, which is in the countryside of São Paulo. Is amazing, it's extremely hot. Look the temperature, I don't know if you can see well, I don't know, yes, 33 degrees Celsius, which is very hot. And also the humidity is 23%, so very hot. So that's why I'm wearing a tank top, this kind of t-shirt, which is not a t-shirt, it's a tank top, because it is fresher. Also today is Friday, look, Friday, November 18th. It's good day to do some exercises, to become strong, to go to the gym, to work out. Did you work out this week? I did. I work out today. I did exercise for my shoulder. I did exercise for my arms. I did exercise for my back. I did exercise for my chest. So today we're going to study parts of the body. Check it out. Here are some parts of the body that we're going to study today. I don't know if you can read because it's very small. It's very small, but let me see. Yes, I think now you can read. Okay, so start here with the head, eyebrow, eye, mouth, cheek, chin, chest, I told you before, arm, thumb, fingers, hand, palm, wrist. Here we've got the leg, foot, only one, plural is feet, two, knee. Knee is this part of the leg. More over here. So, and the head, ear, neck, nose, forehead, lips, shoulder, I told you before, elbow is this part here, elbow, forearm is this part here from your arm, hip, this part here is the hip, hand, I told you before, tight here, from your knee to here to your hip, so this part is tight. In Portuguese we say coxa. Calf is the back, lower part from your leg. Shin is the front part, which is very hard. It's a very hard part, it's a bone. And ankle, heel. Heel is this lower part from your foot. And two are the fingers from your foot. But we don't say fingers, of course, we say toe. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed. Sorry for today, I'm wearing this vest of this tank top. So have a wonderful weekend and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye and take care.